Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we are going to show you how to sign up for Adidas affiliate program. So basically here, if you go on this homepage, you can't see any buttons here to go to our affiliate program. So what you're going to do is click on the add new tab, and we're going to Google search and just put right here Adidas affiliate or Adidas affiliate program and click on that search. So you can also search for Adidas affiliate if you want. So you can change the search box right there. You can erase the program. So as you can see, now click on the first link right here. What's our affiliate program? And then you can read all of the information from this page. Now, if you want to sign up, just click on the apply now button right there below the affiliate program. So once you click on this one, so you can see you will now go to this to the next page where you need to fill up all the fields right here. So join Adidas partner program powered by impact.com. So we have partnered with Impact to power our affiliate program. So you must have a Impact account so you can sign in your account on or sign up your account on Adidas affiliate program. Now, first of all, here you have the personal information. So you just need to enter your full name, your first name, and your last name. And then you just need to enter your email and then email confirm. Now you can create your username right there and the password and password confirm. Once you've done here, you can now go to company information. So don't worry about the company information here. Enter your account display name and then your company website right here. So you can let this blank and choose or enter the country, street address, city, state, or the zip code. And then you must enter your phone number and then your currency and time zone. And here on promotion information, you can put your business model if you are a content creator, or you can put on deal, loyalty creator. So I just recommend you to choose this creator or as a content. As you can see, content reviews. And then you can go on property type. And here, if you have a website, you can enter your URL link right here. So you need to make sure that you have the best websites. You just need to enter that. The mobile app, then social networks. If you have YouTube channel, make sure that you have the best YouTube channel right here. So enter that URL link. And then you can also add Facebook account, Twitter, Instagram. So all the social networks that you have been using. And here on agreements, you just need to read all the terms and agreements on Adidas affiliate program. And once you've done right here, you can go at the very bottom of this page and click on the sign up button right there. So yeah, that's how you basically sign up on Adidas affiliate program. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.